Okay, so this is the order tracking system which I made. This is a project where uh, computer shop owners who do computer repairs or electronic repairs can track and maintain a record for all the orders they get. So let us go through that. So this is the admin dashboard. Here we can see recent orders. These were orders which were previously created. We can create new orders from here. We can view detailed view of having all the orders here. Let us create an order, and I'll go through all the different things that I have implemented here. uh, First of all, we have light and dark modes here. We can customize and theme the dashboard accordingly. And so okay, let's create a new order. Here we have fields for the customer name, device, which device they have given, what would be the estimate cost of the repair, what was going to be the ETA or the time that it's going to take, and we can give it a status. But here at the bottom we have another option, that is to add another device for the repair. So this was created to make sure that we can have multiple repairs for single users. So let's say one user has multiple devices, each device can be repaired in a different timeline. So we have made sure that okay, so let's do your Chetak Kumar. He has a radio from 1995. Its cost is going to be around 175 rupees, estimated around 3 days. We will keep it as a picked up. As you can see, we do not take the name again, we only take another fields because it's going to be the same customer who has different repairs. So another device can be a CD player. We can go like 1200 on this, ETF around 1 week. We can also take this as picked up. Let's create this order. Now as you can see, we have created, yeah, Chetak Kumar. We have two orders. We can come here and customize uh, like update actions on here. We also have another option here as well. Let's say we forget to add something, they can come here, click on this and add another repair to the same order. So that is also a feature here for the dashboard. Let me copy this from the backend. I kind of do not have a nice copy button for here. Let's copy the order ID. So let's paste this on the front end. The front end does also have light and dark modes. So as you can see, we have both of the orders with different data nicely formatted here, light and dark mode here as well across the entire site. We have subtle animations for the current status of the order. As you can see, we have nice subtle animations. We can see all the specific repair ID for it, what device, what is the ETA, and what it's going to cost for the user. The site, as this is for the client, as this is for the person whose device is being repaired, who will check this website. This is mobile responsive, as you can see. So once we have that order, we kind of have the same. So let's change the actual status of different things and let's check again on this. So for the a radio, let's say we are picking parts for them. Let's change the status to that. Now as you can see, the status for this has changed to open to in progress. Now we can see this is in the in progress state, so we can come here and be like, paste the same id and we say picking up parts for the radio. So so we can change different status for this. Let's complete this. uh, let's do work in progress for this. Let's come here, check again, work in progress. uh, if you We can change for the same for the another order, so like there is no overlapping for this on the backend does use the same table. Let's do picking up for this, save changes. uh, we can go here, we have picked up picking up for parts. Okay, I didn't change it to picking up parts. Okay, let's save those changes. Let's refresh. So here we go, we can do this. Okay, let's finish one of the orders for Chetak. Uh, as both are, let's finish the radio as it's early. We can be like, yeah, it's finished. So when we go to this, yeah, the order is finished. So like now we have updated the thing. Now, interestingly, for this we I chose a specific design that we can close when we have completed orders whose actual work has been finished and has been given to users. We can close the order. So once we close the order will now not be visible to the user. Means we have delivered the or the repair of the specific device has been completed. So let's confirm the close. Now it goes to the close tab here. These are all the closed orders. So the admin or the repair shop owner can check this. Let's go on the dashboard and check or the user portal. Now we see we can't see the orders. So this here now has been closed. So this is order tracking system and how I made it. Let me now go through all the decisions and design or architectural decisions which I took for this. So the front end uses React, the back end uses Fast API or it's in Python. Database is Postgres. So the original decision for this project for the database, the data was supposed to be Cassandra because I wanted a wide column database because there is going to be multiple information stored which the user is going to access. So I was like Cassandra should be a better use, but when we were trying to host this on Railway for the I'm a cheapskate, okay? I for the free tier, so the decision was when you try to run a Cassandra instance on there, Cassandra uses JVM under the hood. Okay, Cassandra uses JVM under the hood. So just for the starting initial boot, it takes approx 1.22 gigs of basic just RAM to run the virtual machine or JVM. So we had to scrap that and we stuck to Postgres. So that is our stack. It's simple. It was mostly for one of my colleagues who's in data science to actually learn basic CRUD applications, and we also needed to deliver it to a business. So we tried, but eventually the business kind of did not say yes to that. So the project just now sits like archived on our GitHubs. So thank you for watching, and you can watch more videos from me, more projects which I have made, and you can uh, watch my live streams if you want to see how I think, how I do stuff. So don't, and do check out rest of my socials. uh, I'm usually posting on Twitter. If you don't find me there, it's probably YouTube or LinkedIn. So everything's down in my description. You can check that out, and bye.